Hello. So today I'm so excited because my Bask and Lathers haul has made it in and we are unboxing that together today. So here we go. Got this, I opened it up, but I haven't looked through it yet. So let's go through it together. Ooh. So I have the strengthening shampoo. I can't wait to try that. I have the replenish conditioner. I love the fact that they gave me a pump like this. I have, some hydrating mist. It says it's detangling spray and protective style and curl refresher and itchy scalp relief spray. So that is great. That is everything that I'm looking for. For my hair, I'm glad it's all natural ingredients. I cannot wait to try that. I have the edge control, and of course I've already tried this edge control. I had to try it a while back because TikTok made me try it, and it works so great. All you have to do is kind of dampen your hair a little bit and then put this on, and this will last. It will last for a few days, really. Oh, this is what everybody's been talking about lately, this stimulating scalp and hair balm. Okay, so I'm guessing it's like a grease that I can put directly on my scalp. So I have to take the top off so I can smell it. It smells good. It smells kind of lemony. You know what's in it? Here's all the ingredients. So I guess I can't wait to put this on my scalp because I know it's going to have like a tingly feeling. And I love stuff that makes my scalp tingle. And look here. Oh, the hair elixir. This is a hair strengthening elixir. And let's see, it says to use, just gently squeeze the amount on your palms. I can use it 3 to 4 times a week. And okay, I can probably use it as a heat protectant. So that's great to know. Ooh, it's got some good stuff in it. And then, I got this scalp stimulator hair growth oil. So this is what everybody's been talking about as well. It's supposed to really help your hair to grow healthy and strong. Can't wait to try that. Now, these are the biotin and collagen MSM drops that you actually take, okay? Because as you know, you can't grow your hair healthy and strong if you don't have the right stuff in your body. So I can't wait to try these as well. It's going to give me some extra biotin and collagen in my system. And this is this is for my eyebrows and my lashes. Y'all know I love eyebrows and lashes, okay? I love a natural looking long lash, not the fake ones that you pile on. Which don't get me wrong, I do wear fake lashes sometimes, but I try to get ones that look natural. I don't like the ones that look like, bird feathers or anything. But no judgment to those that do, because to each their own. Whatever you feel that you look good in, I won't by all means wear it. But I like a natural lash. And this is supposed to help grow my lashes even in my brows. Look at here. I cannot wait to grow because I have no makeup on right now. And excuse me, y'all, I got a bug in my nose. Ugh. That's so nasty. But anyway. Yeah. Anywho. See my brows? I'm getting some gray hairs in them and I really hate that. So what I do is put a little bit of color on them and I brush them down. I do because I don't like that. But that's all right. And so right here I have, this is the edge control brush. It's pretty much everything came in this kit. This is like a Bask and Leather haul with all their great products. And this is the brow gel. So it's going to help keep my lashes down. Let's see it doesn't, okay, that's what's in this. So I can't wait to try this. Okay, so I opened the brow gel and it's kind of got a pink color to it. And it does feel like a gel. And it came with this cute little brush and applicator. So I am going to try to put a little bit on right now just to see how this feels. Okay. And I know with these natural products, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just putting a little bit on there. Oh, look at there. I like how that feels. Let's put a little bit. The rest that's on here, on this other one. So, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's making them brows look good. Okay. So, y'all, I think I'm gonna like this stuff. I really do. Now, my brows do need a touch up. I haven't had them lined up or shaped up. And also, one of them is longer than the other one. This one, for some reason, is longer than this one. The hair won't seem to grow back here. So, sometimes I just draw that in and fill it in. And that's all right. That's my business. So, anywho, that feels good. And now, I feel like I can just go out and my brows will stay like this, I hope, all day. So anyway, that is my Bask and Lathers haul for today. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be 100. I'm going to keep it real with you. If stuff don't feel good, if it don't work, if I don't feel good, I'm going to be 100 with you. Because I do have some good days and some not so great days. But I try to always look at the positive side of everything. Because in everything, guys, you can find something positive. So remember, tell somebody today that you love them. Show love, show kindness, and just enjoy life. We only get one life on this side, okay? And the time is ticking. So we want to live our lives to the fullest, and we want to live again one day in heaven. So just try to do right. Love yourself, love others, and love God. All right, peace.